Hey, what's up guys, CKUHD here, and let's just go over the brand new Galaxy Book Pro and the Pro 360. But first off, thank you. Thank you for all of you who are subscribed and have supported me so far. But for those who aren't, why not subscribe? Let's try and get to my new goal of 200 subscribers. Now let's get right into the video, and thank you once again. So on the 28th, Samsung came in and just released the Galaxy Book Pro and the Pro 360 at the spring event. Not so far apart from Apple's spring loaded event, Intel came along and announced their Intel Evo 11th Gen i7 processor with Intel Iris graphics for the Galaxy Book Pro and the Pro 360. They do hope to deliver quicker responses such as wake and sleep, along with longer battery life and being able to support 5G and Wi-Fi 6E compatibility. But hold on for a second, because has anyone just realised Johnny Ive at the Apple event? I'm joking. There had to be a lookalike or a twin here. The design of the Galaxy Book is even thinner at 11.2mm and lighter, but how thin is too thin? Especially when I'm just thinking there might be a bit of flex when typing. With the Pro 360, you're not able to flip the display over and use it for writing with a pen, watching movies, and even if in some cases you just want to use it as a tablet. The Galaxy Book Pro comes in two display sizes along with the Galaxy Book Pro 360, with the 13.3 inch and the 15.6 inch, in three different colours, in two-tone colours as Mystic Pink Gold, the Mystic Blue and the Mystic Silver. But the Galaxy Book Pro 360 has three metallic colours, which is Mystic Silver, Mystic Bronze and finally Mystic Navy, which I really do like. The Galaxy Book Pro includes Samsung's AMOLED technology, which is more colourful and sharper. I also think that the refresh rate has increased, but that wasn't announced at the event. With the Galaxy Book Pro, they introduced a feature called Eye Care, which really is just a rename of Nightlight on Macs and the normal blue light filter on Windows PCs. So maybe don't just believe the hype in the name. There's now more ports than the M1 MacBook Pro, which only has 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports. So on the Galaxy Book Pro, you have a micro SD port, a full-size USB 3.2 port, a 3.5mm headphone jack on the side, and HDMI, and a USB Type-C and Thunderbolt 4, which is the latest Thunderbolt technology and can have connected an 8K display. Did you guys know that now you can actually connect up to 3 displays in this thing? Absolutely mind blown. With the Galaxy Book Pro 360, this display is now a Super AMOLED touchscreen display with support for the S Pen, which Samsung now includes right in the box. So now you don't need to buy it as a separate accessory. You can now do a lot more with the S Pen as they expanded its abilities and included some more features. Now onto the speakers, which almost every laptop now includes Dolby Atmos. Sound according to the event is now immersive with surround sound, which sounds really crazy with other devices, so this really should be good, Samsung. With the Galaxy Book, they moved up the keyboard, closer to the display, and because of that, they have also increased the trackpad. The dual mics claim to intelligently cancel out background noise, so this should be good. With the new thinner battery, the Galaxy Pro should give you up to 20 hours of video playback and up to 16 hours of work and play. But honestly, when has a laptop manufacturer actually lasted the advertised hours? But with only 30 minutes of charge, it can give you up to 8 hours of usage. Now the Galaxy Book Pro will cost from $999 with the 13.3 inch, and there's an LTE version at $1099, which is the same price as the 15.6 inch. The Galaxy Book Pro with the 13.3 inch will set your wallets back $1,199 with a 5G model for $200 more, and the 15.6 inch at $1,299. But wait, there is definitely more. Introducing the new Galaxy Book Odyssey in just Mystic Black with an NVIDIA RTX 3050 Ti GPU and the Tiger Lake 11th Gen Intel Core H series, which is just a beast as a whole. So the Galaxy Book Odyssey is something to look out for. The Galaxy Book Odyssey will be released at $1,399 and only in the 15.6 inch model. Alright, So the devices to look out for should really be just the Galaxy Book Pro 360 and the Galaxy Book Odyssey. So sometime this month, hopefully, watch out for the review of the Pro 360 and the Galaxy Book Odyssey. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you're subscribed as it does help the channel out a lot. And I will see you guys in the next one. Put up.